Hello again. Thanks for studying your math with me and watching this video. The topic is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Make sure that you read your book and the examples in your book and start and stop this video to make sure that you are understanding the material. We are going to be talking about expressions. That means there are no equal signs. We're going to be talking about the terms of an expression, and terms are things that are separated by plus or minus signs. If there is one term, it is called a polynomial. Two terms, it is called a binomial. And three terms is called a trinomial. The numerical factor is called the numerical coefficient. And we will be collecting and combining like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variables and the same exponents. Here is an example, and note that we have some terms that are xy squared and others that are x squared y. Pause the video and let's see how you did. So we combine the single underscores to get a positive 1xy squared, and the other term stands by itself. There's no way to combine these two terms. Here's another example, a little more complicated because you have to do distribution first before you can simplify. Pause the video and we'll see how you did. So when we distribute, we get the x's and y's. We combine the single underscores, which are the x's, to get minus 8x, and we combine the y's to get plus y. This is a more complicated example. We'll start with the innermost parentheses and simplify outward and eventually solve the problem. So pause the video. Let's see how you do. First thing we do is distribute this minus 2 across that, and then we note that the x's simplify to just be x. Then we distribute the minus sign across there, and notice that this x then will cancel with that x. We combine terms and we have this. We distribute the minus 2 yet again. Note that the signs change as we go through. We end up with a squared minus 4a squared for a net of minus 3a squared plus 24. We could not combine these any further because they are not like terms. Here's a word problem. Each of two suppliers has 2 N plus 1 bundles of shingles that cost $30 each, and N minus 2 bundles costing $20 each. How much more is the total value of the $30 bundles than the $20 bundles? Give it a go and pause the video and we'll see how you do. So there were two suppliers. This is the cost of the 2 N plus 1 $30 bundles. This is the cost of the N minus 2 $20 bundles. We subtract them. Notice here again that a minus times a minus is a plus. Finally, we distribute the 2 and we end up with the answer 80N plus 140. In closing, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. Take care, and I will see you in class.